Hello, I'm King Muhammad Kuring, and in this video, I will walk you through recovery in the event of data loss. You'll learn how data loss happens and how to restore file using different methods. So, what is data loss? Data loss happens when information becomes inaccessible, corrupted, or deleted. It can occur suddenly and cause major problems, especially for developers. Cause of data loss. The most common causes include hardware failure, accidental deletion, ransomware attacks, and software corruption. So, restoring from backups. So, one of the most easiest ways to recover is by restoring from a backup. If you have a full backup, everything can be restored at once with incremental or differential backups. The process depends on the type of backup you created. So, using version control like Git, developers often use Git to recover lost version of code. Git allows you to view previous commits, restore deleted files, and go back to earlier versions. Example, Git commands. To recover a deleted file, you can use it in a terminal like in VS Code. So git restore file name or and command prompt. To go back to an older version, you can use git checkout commit ID. Then cloud recovery. Cloud services like Google Drive and OneDrive have version history. Even if you delete or overwrite a file, you can easily restore previous version. So, recovery software. Tools like Recova can sometimes recover accidentally deleted files from your system. These tools are helpful if no backup exists. So, in other words, always keep backups and use version control to protect your work. Recovering data is easy when you are prepared. Thank you for watching.